Hi kids. Presentation Convent High School, class nursery, subject English, topic make words with sounds, copy page number 58. I have opened page number 58 and on this page the heading is make words with sounds. Children, on this page you can see three sounds are given. A, B, K. Last week we have made words with A. Today we will make words with B. Are you ready? Children, look at my hand carefully. Let's start our work. Our first word is bad. For writing bad, first of all we will write B like this. Start writing from the first line. Write a straight line. Go up and make round like this. Then we will write A like this. And for writing Dippy Duck, start writing from the second line. Write a clever cat. Go up and come down on the same line and then make a small tail. B-A-B-A-D, bad. Our next word is bag. For writing bag, first of all we will write B like this. And then we will write A, B, A, B. And for writing G, start writing from the second line. Write a clever cat. Go up and come down till third line and then make a tail on left side. B, A, B, G, bag. Our next word is ban. For writing ban, first of all we will write B like this. Then we will write A. And for writing naughty Nick, write a straight line, go up, make round, then come down and then make a small tail. B-A-ban, ban. Our next word is bib. For writing bib, first of all we will write B like this. And for writing impy ink, start writing from the second line. Write a straight line and then make a small tail on its right side. Then put a small dot. B-E-B, B, bib. Our next word is bud. For writing bud, first of all we will write B like this. Then for writing uppy umbrella, write a straight line. Make round, go up and come down on the same line. Then make a small tail. B-A-B-D, but. Our next word is bun. Children, do you like buns? Okay, so here we will write bun. First of all, we will write B like this. Then we will write A like this. And for writing naughty nay, write a straight line. Go up, make round, come down and then make a small tail. Bun. Our last word is bat. Now here you can see the spelling of bat is given B-A-B-A-T, bat. So here we will write this word. First of all we will write B like this. Then we will write L like this. And for writing ticking Tom, it does not touch first line. So here we will start its writing. Write a straight line, then make a tail, and then put a small line on the second line like this. Bat. Children, do neat and good work in your neat copy. Okay, God bless you.